Hey there! So, you're thinking about opening a savings account with Wells Fargo, huh? Good news! You can do it all online and it's super easy. Let me walk you through the steps. First, head over to the official Wells Fargo website. Once you're there, find the Savings Accounts section. It's usually under Banking and Cards or something similar. Next, you'll see different types of savings accounts. Take a moment to review your options and pick the one that best fits your needs. Got it? Great! Now click on the Open Account or Apply Now button. This is where you'll need to provide some personal information. Have your social security number, a valid ID like your driver's license or passport, and your contact details handy. After that, it's time to fund your account. You might need to make an initial deposit. You can do this by transferring money from another bank account or using a credit/debit card. Before you hit Submit, double-check all your information. Make sure everything's correct, agree to the terms and conditions, and then submit your application. And there you have it. You've just opened a Wells Fargo savings account online. Easy, right? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.